How's it going, guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Swommoly Storage Container Lid Organizer. You'll receive a 2-piece plastic tray that slides to expand, 3 small dividers, 3 large dividers, and a set of pre-printed and blank label stickers with different volume ranges in cups. The difference in the large and small dividers is slight, but you'll notice that the small ones are just a hair shorter, about a 1/4 inch. And this is because the 2 pieces of the base are nested, so the upper half is just a little bit narrower than the bottom half. And you'll install the small or large dividers accordingly. To install them, simply bend the dividers slightly. Then insert the sides into 2 slots opposite one another so the bottom tabs snap into place. The process is the same for the large dividers, allowing you to break up the tray in up to 7 different sections. The maximum tray length is 16 inches, while the minimum is 8.5. The width is 9.5 inches, and the height of the tray is 2 inches, with the dividers being 4 inches tall. To remove a divider, press down on the tray to release the bottom tabs. Then bend the divider to remove the sides. This lets you change their positions quickly and easily, so you can adjust the tray to meet your current needs. Divider positions are spaced 1 inch apart. My only critique is that at the widest width, the 2 halves tend to separate, so I wish that they would lock in a little bit better. A while back, we switched nearly all our Tupperware to the Rubbermaid Easy Find containers with stackable lids, and this really helps us keep our cabinets more organized. However, we still have a number of other kinds of containers like Pyrex and reused takeout containers. But these lids don't stack very well, and tend to be a mix of different sizes and shapes that often fall out when we dig through to find the right lid. After organizing our miscellaneous lids with this tray, we can store more of them since we no longer need to stack them, and it's easier to find what we're looking for since the dividers let us sort and separate them by shape, type, brand, or size. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.